Hey everyone, welcome in to the Flippin' Hippos reseller channel. I'm Star. If you're new or you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It helps us feed our hungry hippos. Today we're doing an unboxing. This is the 5th box from a huge wholesale purchase I did. I bought out another reseller of her clothing. I relieved her of that so she can pivot into other things. I have 5 more boxes coming, so it's a total of 10 boxes in this bulk buy. I did a recent video of the 4th box. I'll link that up there for you to watch if you haven't seen it. I go into more depth in that about the purchase and the cost. Today we're just going to jump right into this box here, and then you'll get to see the other ones as they come. So I did get a lot of jeans and stuff from her, but I got different stuff, just different stuff to shake up my store a little bit. So we got some shorts. These are Zara, just little cloth. I would call these hot pants, booty shorts. Tribal, I run everything through the Was Perfectly AI. Does most of the work for me. This critter hates litter. Don't trash my pad. This is so thinking. How cute is that frog? This is Levi's, by the way. Has a frog. This is my home. You wouldn't want me to come to your house and throw my trash in your living room, would you? Please do not litter. Oh my gosh, this has to be vintage. Let me look at the... Looks like it's stainless. I can't speak. Stinkle Stitch. I'm gonna make sure I double check this one because I think that's vintage. I feel like it was in the 90s when we were like really pushing Don't Litter and all that. Smokey Bear and all them. Well, that's fire. This is pants. 32 heat medium. They're like workout legging pants. We have some County FB men's pants. 34. Size 34. That's a good size. 32 and 34 is like the most commonly sold size of men's jeans, but the really larger ones are really good to get as well. We got a stack of t-shirts here. We have a Vans t-shirt. We've got a new with tags. Olympic Washington. That's a nice tee. International Collection. FUBU. I like FUBU. I don't know that it's really worth as much as it used to be. I haven't sold or found FUBU in a long time. But I know when we first started reselling, we would find FUBU jackets and shirts at the bins. And they would go for quite a bit. We have a Nike polo shirt, Oregon. Pretty sure that's Oregon Ducks. I'll rely on the AI for that since I'm not a sporter person. Sports ball. Nike Pro. If it is the Oregon Ducks, are they hockey? Nike Pro Dry Fit Extra Large. What is this print even? This is why I like Was Perfectly's AI. It can tell me what the print is. It does. You know what? Their AI is like having an assistant, a listing employee. Soft Surroundings. This is a brand I've never heard of, but these are pretty wild leggings. They feel really comfortable too. I'm going to pull this down. I'm going to pull some out. Get a big old stack. All right, I got another pair of pants here. This is Outdoor Research. I have heard of this brand. I do like this brand. They make a lot of good stuff for hikers and campers. Those people that go outside. I don't know what that's about. Levi's $5.29 curvy straight black. These are women's. I start $5.29 around $25. In case you're wondering what I'm checking, I'm checking the pricing guide that comes with my jeans guide. This is D jeans, size 14. Offhand, I think I probably start these around 20, but I'll double check myself. Sandpiper, size 18. So I've never heard of this brand, but listen, they're a plus size. They're cut off jeans, shorts, which always do well, even in the worst brands. We've got some board shorts. These are Quicksilver. This is another one that back in the day, we used to have a St. Vincent's right up the road from us where we used to live. And the St. Vincent's had 99-cent day on every Saturday. And they always used to have like an entire rack of men's board shorts. And Quicksilver was definitely one I used to snag for 99 cents. And they always sold for like 20, I want to say 18 to 20. But that was, 2017. So I don't know how things are now. Levi's mid-rise curvy, size 14. That's a good size. On Poshmark, 14 and up is considered plus size. We've got Zand. I'm not going to say it because I can't say it. More like track pants, workout pants. This box had a lot. She got a lot crammed in there. Woo! Stuff is falling out and attacking me. I have to say that in the kitchen all the time. So, story time real quick. Other short people, you'll understand where I'm going with this. When you can't reach something in the cupboard and you're feeling lazy and you don't want to get out your step stool. I have step stools in most rooms in this house. Life of a hobbit. I always get a wooden spoon or plastic, the utensils that you stir with, and I'll try to get what I'm getting out of the cupboard on the top shelf. But sometimes more than one item will come down, so you have to like be a ninja and like hide and catch it. And I always yell, "Oh my god, I'm being attacked!" And then Keith always yells back, "Why aren't you using your step stool or asking me for help?" Because the spoon method is exciting. It's challenging. It gives me life. These are Pro Compression. Oh, and if you're wondering why I can't read or see today, I've lost my glasses. I talked about that in the last video, which I'll link for you. Livy activewear shorts. These are sweaty pants. Sweatpants. Danskin, which is not that great of a brand, but these are extra large. This is bread and butter, guys. Extra large camo print sweatpants. We've got Adodos. Am I saying that right? Can you see it? Workout. These look like biker shorts. These are Bayleaf. And these are also like workout bikers spandexy type pants. And we got some track pants here. DKNY. Or these are the noisy ones. That's what I call them. The noisy pants. Let's get another Okay. I'm sorry that you're having to watch me struggle. Watch Star do an unboxing. Struggling is no extra charge. All right, that's all of it. So we got Levi's Shaping Skinny size 16 black jeans. We've got Vantage America or Vintage. Lord, I can't see today. Size 14. We've got Levi's 721 16W. The W stands for women, and it indicates that it is plus size, if you did not know that. And I'll start these around 25. I know I'm not giving you the price on all of them, just most. Reebok shorts. Woo! And of course, stuff that I don't list often or is new to me, I'm obviously going to have to comp. Jeans are my wheelhouse. So, Tommy Hilfiger trousers. Dress pants, if you want to call them. These are Gloria Vanderbilt 16W. I like plus size. You can always get more for plus size. And these are shorts, so that's good. And these are Levi's 508. Size tags have been cut off, and they're very faded back here. So what I'll do is take a picture of this and enlarge it and see if I can see the thighs, hopefully. If not, just put measurements and indicate that tags are cut out and go by the measurements, please. We have Goodfellow and Company size 38W by 32 lengths. So these are men's, and I don't really deal with this brand a lot, so I will definitely have to comp it. We've got Body Groove women's board shorts, swim shorts. And we have L leggings. And she sent me something in a bag. So back when I used to play D&D, Dungeons and Dragons, sometimes I kept my dice in a Crown Royal bag. Oh, I like this. This must be a bonus she threw in because I don't remember choosing this. So thank you. I like this necklace. I like that. And there's a little tiny bag of a little tiny bit more of jewelry. There's a tie clip and, yeah, that's a tie clip or a cufflink. It's a cufflink. AI will tell me. So, yeah, I'm getting really reliant upon the AI sometimes. But then you learn. Like, so if the AI tells me, I'm pretty sure this is a cufflink. But if it told me that, the next time I see something that looks like that, I know that. So I'm still learning. I was going to say, I have sold singular cufflinks before without their mate. These are, oh my goodness. These are pandas. Oh my goodness. You see him? Panda bears are so cute. They're like the stuffed animals of the Wild Kingdom. They really are. And then we have a pair of dangle earrings here with like it's a really pretty square gemstone. So that's the little bit of jewelry she included in this box. And I have 5 more boxes coming. So we'll do some more unboxes in the next month. And I will keep working on getting this listed and photographed and all that good stuff. I'm going to focus on this. I have a box of jewelry back here. I'm going to focus on getting all of this up first just to have a variety in the store because I've been doing a lot of jewelry. And I mean, I'm pretty good. I think I have stuff. I still have 2 bags from when I went to the thrift with my eBay group in January, and it's sitting in the laundry room waiting to be washed. I have a couple thread up boxes. I need to just work through what I have and what I've already got. And if that's the case for you too, do that. Don't go thrifting if you have too much stuff, but don't not have stuff. Always have a little bit extra on hand because you never know what's going to happen. Many of you are familiar with the story about Keith and I getting through our entire death pile, which was good, except we did it 2 days before the world shut down, and then we had no inventory in the first part of 2020 when nothing was open. And also, if you live in a place like we do where it can get snow and ice and the roads can get bad, or you can get stuck inside with negative weather, below 0 wind chills and all that, you don't want to go out thrifting. So just because you never know what life's going to throw at you, your car could break down, you could get a flat tire. A lot of things can happen. So I always say, keep enough stuff on hand that can keep you busy for 1 to 2 weeks, maybe a whole month, but don't have any extra beyond that. Make sure you're listing down and not sourcing too much unless you're buying bulk, right? If you're buying large bulk wholesale purchases, you're probably getting a couple of months or even more at a time, but just work through that before you buy more. But always make sure you have a little extra on hand because you never know what's going to happen. That is my sincere advice from experience to you guys. Okay, if you have any questions, comments, concerns about anything you saw me unbox today or reselling in general, leave it down below. I answer everybody. And join our Facebook group as well, Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod. And go be productive. Go make some money. And as always, thank you for watching. I do appreciate you guys. See you in the next one.